Good morning. Got another gravel job here this morning. Got a bunch of water and muck, a bunch of potholes. We've been getting a lot of rain here lately. There's the, only got 30 yards. I didn't calculate this one out, so I think they're going to be a little light, but got all these big rocks here. Probably set this one up and do a time lapse for you guys. It's a big circular drive, so I don't think I'll be able to catch it all, but anyways, get going here. Got a lot of jobs this morning. Got 3 jobs this morning, so I'm gonna try to make this one quick.